In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort columns in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly reorder your rows, so your information is easier to read and analyze, whether you're working with text, numbers, or dates. Start by opening the sheet you want to work with. Look toward the top of the sheet and find the column you want to use for sorting. You'll want to go right to the column header, which is the label at the very top of that column. Hover your cursor over that header, then right-click. A small menu will appear, and from there, choose Sort Rows. This is the command that tells Smartsheet you want to reorganize the entire sheet based on the values in the column you selected. Once you click Sort Rows, you'll see options that match the type of data in your column. For text or numbers, choose A to Z to sort in ascending order, or Z to A to sort in descending order. Ascending order brings items like A, B, C, or smaller numbers to the top, while descending order flips that, putting Z, Y, X, or larger numbers at the top. Smartsheet applies this to the whole row, not just the single column, so all your related information stays together as the rows move. If your column contains dates, you'll see date-based options instead. Choose oldest to newest if you want earlier dates to appear first, moving forward in time as you go down the sheet. Or, choose newest to oldest to bring the most recent dates to the top. This is especially helpful for timelines, schedules, or logs, where you want to see what's most current or review history in order. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you sort. The quality of your sort depends on consistent data, so if a column mixes text and numbers or has empty cells, the order may look a little unexpected. That's normal. Smartsheet sorts what it can interpret and places blanks accordingly. If you ever want to reverse the order you just applied, simply right-click the same column header again and choose the opposite option, like switching from A to Z to A. Also remember that sorting is about organizing your view and your sheet data. It doesn't change any cell content, it just changes the order of rows. And that's it. Right-click the column header you care about. Select Sort Rows. Pick the order that fits your data, A to Z or Z to A, or, for dates, oldest to newest, or newest to oldest, and your sheet instantly reorganizes to match. Thanks for watching, and happy sorting in Smartsheet.